Hey everyone, today I will show you how to switch between multiple Instagram accounts, and here is how it is done. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Once that is done, open the Instagram app and ensure you are logged in into your account. On your homepage, if you want to switch accounts, you will need to have multiple accounts added. There are two ways to switch between them. First, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, at the top of your profile, you will see your username. Tap the arrow next to it, and you will see a list of your other accounts. Just tap the account you want to switch to. The second method is even quicker. Simply double tap the profile icon at the bottom, and your account will automatically switch. And that is everything you need to know about how to switch between multiple Instagram accounts. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.